calm begin. Feel the breath move within. Stretch your arms, reach for the light. Ground yourself, feel the earth's might. Breathe and flow, let it go. Feel the rhythm, soft and slow. In this moment, here and now, find your center, take a bow. Move with grace, feel the air. Gentle movements, light as prayer. Lift your heart, open wide. Find the stillness deep inside. Breathe and flow, let it go. Feel the rhythm, soft and slow. In this moment, here and now, find your center, take a bow. Let your thoughts just drift away. Focus on the breath today. Flow like water, strong yet free. Feel the quiet, let it be. Breathe and flow, let it go. Feel the rhythm, soft and slow. In this moment, here and now, find your center, take a bow. Surrender here. Feel the peace and lose the fear. In the stillness you will grow. Breathe and flow, just let go.